Welcome.
In this tutorial we will convert webp images to PNG using ffmpeg and Ubuntu terminal.
First of all, we need to install ffmpeg.
Open terminal.
Execute command. sudo apt update.
Execute command. sudo apt install ffmpeg.
Execute command. ffmpeg v.
Hooray! ffmpeg is ready.
Open folder with webp images.
Right mouse button, click in folder with images and click Open in terminal.
Execute following command.
Check out text of command in video description or text version of tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a perfect day.